Today, I am giving you a method to making something simple, comfortable, and very wearable. Easy DIY lounge shorts with an elastic waistband. If you're counting the days until summer or slowly planning a wardrobe that feels relaxed and practical, this project is for you. These shorts are designed for warm weather and everyday comfort. They're loose-fitting, adjustable, and suitable for wearing inside or outdoors. Best of all, they're quick to make. This isn't about precision or perfection. Think of it as a guideline, a way to understand how elastic waist shorts come together without the pressure of a pattern. We are using simple rectangles and a few key measurements. This makes it a gateway project if you want to move beyond patterns but still feel supported. The shorts have no side seams, which keeps construction fast and beginner-friendly. We are marking and cutting on 2 layers of fabric at a time. Waistline, front and back to crotch line, front and back hemline to crotch line, and you're done. The shape comes from the elastic and how the fabric is folded and stitched, not from complicated pieces. At the waist, we are creating a 1.5-inch casing. This gives you flexibility. You can use one channel with 1-inch elastic or divide the casing into 2 channels and use 1/2-inch elastic instead. Both options work well. The legs are also finished with a 1.5-inch hem. You can choose a single fold or a double fold depending on the weight of your fabric and the finish you prefer. Because this is a non-pattern approach, customization comes naturally. You can add mock stripes along the sides, lace at the hemline, or decorative details at the waistband. This basic structure gives you room to experiment. Included with this project are diagrams and measurements for small, medium, and large. Each size uses 3 images of reference measurements to help you cut with confidence and adjust as needed. This is a quick win kind of project, something you can complete in one sitting and actually want to wear when you're done. Once you understand this method, you'll be able to remake these shorts again and again, adjusting the length, fabric, and details to suit your style. Peruse the measurements, cut a pair of shorts from scrap fabric, and if you need adjustments, you can make them and record the changes. It doesn't have to be for you. The important thing is making the shorts. You'll familiarize yourself with the method, and before long, you would have memorized it. Let me know how yours turned out. Thank you for being here. I appreciate your presence. If you have questions, please ask them in the comments. And for more ideas, subscribe to All My Ways Andrea.